Let's talk skin. If you're over 45 and your skin suddenly looks tired, no matter what you use, this isn't about skincare. Your glow fades faster. Fine lines deepen. Your skin feels thinner when you touch it. Makeup settles differently. Elasticity disappears. And even expensive creams stop working the way they used to. Most women think this is just wrinkles, or collagen loss, or getting older, but what's really happening is deeper. Your skin is slowly losing its ability to repair itself. Not overnight, not dramatically, gradually. And that loss shows up as dullness instead of glow, fragility instead of firmness, crepey texture instead of smoothness, and skin that no longer bounces back. This is why so many women feel like their face aged 5 years in one. Not because you suddenly did something wrong, because your skin's internal coordination changed. After midlife, circulation slows, inflammation rises, fibroblasts produce less collagen, stem cells respond more weakly, cellular energy drops. Your skin isn't just aging, it's losing communication, and no cream can fix that. That's why skin repair peptides like GHKQ, BPC157, and Thymosin Beta-4 are getting so much attention. Not because they're cosmetic, because they work on signaling, the biological instructions that tell skin how to regenerate. But here's what almost nobody explains. These peptides don't make skin young. They try to help aging tissue remember how to repair itself. And today, we're going to slow everything down. No hype, no protocols, no miracle claims, just real biology for women navigating skin changes after midlife. This is educational only. And to understand skin peptides, you first have to understand what happens beneath the surface. When you're younger, skin behaves like a coordinated repair system. Blood flow responds quickly. Fibroblasts actively produce collagen. Inflammation resolves on its own. Stem cells respond to damage. Energy production stays high. After 45, that coordination weakens. Microcirculation becomes sluggish. Low-grade inflammation becomes chronic. Collagen production slows. Stem cell sensitivity declines. Mitochondria produce less energy. The skin still functions, but repair becomes fragmented. Everything takes longer. Texture changes, resilience drops, and most women are told to just moisturize more. That's not the problem. The problem is regulatory decline. Your skin is no longer communicating clearly with itself. That's where peptides come in, not as beauty tools, as biological messengers. Let's start with GHKQ. GHKQ is a naturally occurring copper peptide found in human plasma. Levels decline sharply with age. It's one of the most researched skin peptides in existence. GHKQ influences hundreds of genes related to collagen production, angiogenesis, inflammation control, and tissue remodeling. In simple terms, it reminds skin cells how healthy tissue behaves. It stimulates fibroblasts, improves microcirculation, supports wound healing, reduces inflammatory signaling, helps normalize scar formation. Women often experience GHKQ as improved texture, faster healing, thicker skin, and gradual return of glow. Not dramatically, gradually. But here's the important part. GHK-Cu doesn't force regeneration. It supports existing repair pathways. If circulation is poor, inflammation is high, or metabolism is impaired, results stay limited. It improves signal quality. It doesn't replace foundational biology. That's why responses vary so much. If this kind of biology-first explanation helps, take a moment to like the video. It helps Midlife Peptide Intelligence reach women who want clarity instead of cosmetic promises. Next is BPC 157. BPC 157 acts more like a repair coordinator. It supports blood vessel integrity, modulates inflammatory cascades, improves connective tissue flexibility, accelerates wound closure. In skin, BPC 157 helps tissue become more resilient. It doesn't chase beauty. It restores structural integrity. Women often notice reduced redness, faster healing, and skin that feels less fragile. Again, not stimulation, support. Now let's talk about Thymosin Beta-4. This peptide works on a deeper architectural level. It influences actin dynamics, the internal scaffolding that allows cells to migrate, organize, and repair damaged tissue. It also strongly promotes angiogenesis. That matters because aging skin suffers from declining microcirculation, less oxygen, less nutrients, slower repair. Thymosin Beta-4 supports cell migration, new blood vessel formation, stem cell activation, and reduced fibrosis. It helps tissue reorganize itself. But this also means it interacts with growth pathways. Human safety data is limited. This is regenerative biology, not cosmetic skincare. Now zoom out. GHK-Cu improves communication. BPC 157 supports repair coordination. Thymosin Beta-4 assists structural regeneration. But none of them fix sleep. None correct insulin resistance. None restore circadian rhythm. None eliminate chronic stress. They operate on top of your biology, which is why results vary. Skin aging isn't one problem. It's multiple systems drifting out of alignment. Inflammation rises. Blood flow declines. Energy production drops. Stem cells lose sensitivity. Peptides can help, but only when the system is still responsive. A smarter way to think about skin repair isn't which peptide should I use, it's how to restore coordination, reduce inflammation, improve circulation, support mitochondrial health, stabilize blood sugar, lower chronic cortisol. Then peptides become amplifiers. Without that foundation, they become expensive experiments. There are also risks worth acknowledging. Purity varies. Dosing consistency varies. Long-term human data is limited. Growth-signaling peptides carry theoretical cancer risk due to angiogenic pathways. This isn't fear, it's biology. Skin regeneration can't be hacked. It can be supported. If this helped you understand skin aging differently, consider subscribing to Midlife Peptide Intelligence, where we explore recovery and aging through regulation, not shortcuts. You're not aging badly. Your skin is adapting to a different biological environment, an understanding that changes everything. Skin health after midlife isn't about looking younger. It's about preserving tissue resilience. It's about maintaining repair capacity. It's about slowing regulatory decline. Peptides don't create miracles. They support systems. They work gradually. and they only help when biology is still capable of responding. Take care of your sleep, reduce chronic stress, support circulation, protect your metabolism. And remember, after midlife, the goal isn't forcing regeneration, it's restoring coordination. That's where real skin longevity begins.